Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna review my new washing machine, which is called Bosch WAV28G43. This one is a 9 kg washing machine. It is new on this market. It's one of the first machines who's supporting the new energy label rated A, so it's saving energy. Some features: it has a home connect, which means you can connect it to your mobile phone via Wi-Fi, so you can choose the washing programs, you can check how long is the washing machine still running, what program is enabled. Also this machine has many different programs like 4D wash system, easy start, remote monitoring. It can wash until 1400 RPMs. It's also very quiet, I will show you. So now I will switch on the machine. Let's have a look inside. So that's the drum. It has some light shining inside, so you can see all the clothes that's maybe left in there. Still very shiny and new. It has a double glass, so it's protecting noise not coming outside. I already prepared for washing. Put in some clothes. So I want to wash some clothes in 60 degrees. I can choose here all the programs. So changes. Also here I have more options. So for this one I want to use 60 degrees to 1200 RPMs, and it's saying it's going to take 2 hours 48. I can try to shorten it by Speed Perfect. This time also I could choose extra short program with 30 or even 15 minutes. I don't know if that makes any sense in washing, but it's available. Also we have Allergy Plus, Sportswear, Hygiene Plus. You have extra program for stains. Here you have some more options like pre-washing, easy ironing, water plus. So lots of programs. Also it has a start and stop. So if you, for example, forgot a sock, after you start you can still pause, open it up again, insert what you need and then continue the washing. So I have everything prepared and I will start now. Okay, so now the machine has started. At the moment it's measuring the weight, so it can calculate how much water it needs, how much washing powder it needs. As you can hear, it's very quiet. So it has inserted some water and it started washing. As you can see, you only hear the washes itself, the clothes itself, but nothing of the engine or of the motor. It is now in the middle of the washing process. Now it's rinsing. Now it's starting the final spinning. The engine is revving up until 1200 RPM. No vibration. Slowing down again. Six minutes left. Okay, the machine is now finished and we can check. Feels very dry. Looking good. So as a quick resume, I'm owning this machine now for 5 days. At the moment I'm very happy with it. It's very quiet, it's washing good. It has a lot of nice features. By the way, this is the home professional version, which means this is the highest grade. Bosch is giving 10 years warranty on the motor for these home professional versions. The recommended list price is 1,200 euros, but in the internet you can get it for starting 800 euros when you compare the prices. So that's all from me for today. If you have questions, just let me know. Otherwise, leave a comment or a like. Thanks for watching and bye bye.